Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to study parts of speech, which is the foundation of English grammar. We will learn what exactly is parts of speech, what are the different types of parts of speech, along with the examples. Do you know, when we speak, we use different kinds of words. They have some relation with each other and they do different kinds of work. So they are called parts of speech. There are mainly 8 types of parts of speech. They are number 1 noun, number 2 pronoun, number 3 verb, number 4 adjective, number 5 adverb, number 6 preposition, number 7 conjunction, and number 8 interjection. Let's start first with noun. Noun. A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, thing, or an idea. Person like APJ Abdul Kalam, place like Akola, thing like grammar book, or idea like kindness. These all are examples of noun. Let's look some more examples. Ahmad is a good boy. Mumbai is a big city. I have a pet cat. Rohit brought 2 books. Ahmad, boy, Mumbai, city, cat, Rohit, and books. All these are nouns here. Let's look into the next parts of speech, that is pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. John is a boy. John is in 8th standard. John likes to play cricket. We have used the word John 3 times, which has made the sentence very hard to read. Instead of using the noun second or third times, we can use pronoun he. For example, John is a boy. He is in 8th standard. He likes to play cricket. Let's look some more examples. Number 1. Sana has not come to school today. She is not well. Number 2. On a cloudy day, we cannot see the sun. Number 3. Faizan worked hard. He got good marks. She, we, and he. All these are pronouns here. Let's look into the next part of speech, that is verb. A verb is a word used to express an action or state of a subject. In other words, a verb is a word that tells what a person, animal, or thing does. A verb shows action, so they are called action words or doing words. Action may include play, swim, and run. An state may include feel, doubt, and appear. Also to be, verb like is, am, are, was, were are also stative verb, which define the state of being. Let's look into sentence example. Dia goes to school. The boy plays in the garden. The baby is crawling. Goes, plays, and crawling are verbs here. Let's look into the next parts of speech. Adjective. An adjective is a word used to describe a noun or pronoun, or add something to the meaning of a noun. He is a boy. Here we are simply saying he is a boy, but we are not describing anything about the boy. Let's read the next sentence. He is a brave boy. We are describing the boy as brave. So, brave is an adjective here. Let's look some more example. Rufi is a good girl. Adi is a naughty boy. The grass is green. Good, naughty, and green are adjectives here. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word used to describe a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. In other words, an adverb tells us when, where, or how the action of a verb takes place. danced on stage. Here, we know that she danced, but we don't know how she danced. Let's add a quality of her dance in the sentence. She danced beautifully on stage. Here, using beautifully to describe how she danced on stage. So it is an adverb. Let's look some more example. She came here yesterday. When? God is everywhere. Where? I can speak English well. How? Yesterday, everywhere, and well are adverbs here. Preposition. A preposition is a word used to link a noun or pronoun with other words in the sentence. Link here means preposition provide a relationship between a noun or pronoun with other words in the sentence. Thus, make the sentence complete. These other words may be noun, verb, adjective. Preposition denotes direction, time, and location of a noun with respect to other words in the sentence. Let's understand it with an example. The cup is the table. Here, if we read the sentence, we get to know that we are talking about two nouns, cup and table. But we are not able to understand the relationship between them. Here, with the preposition comes in the sentence, the cup is on the table. Now we are clear that where is the cup with respect to the table. The bird is in the cage. The lamp is on the table. Rina is standing near the window. In, on, and near. All these are preposition here. Conjunction. A word which joins words or group of words or sentences is called a conjunction. Ram is good at studies. Hari is good at studies. Now both sentences mean the same. So we can connect them or combine them into one single sentence as Ram and Hari are good in studies. Here, and is used as conjunction. This cat is black and white. It is the baby a boy or a girl? I ran fast but could not catch the train. And, or, and but. All these are conjunctions here. Interjection. An interjection expresses some strong feeling or emotion. When Prime Minister announced lockdown for the first time, what was our initial reaction? Damn, we cannot go out of our house for 21 days. Here, damn is sudden feeling of art. Let me give you some more example. Wow, you look beautiful in this dress. Ouch, I have hurt my leg. Oh Lucy, how foolish you are. Got it? Homework. Learn and write all parts of speech. Allah Hafiz.